Well, I've got 2 coats of sealer on the kitchen floor now. Doesn't that look nice? Let's see, when I put the second coat on, I didn't show you how to do that. I'm gonna, you know, it's basically the same way as the first coat. You just don't have to put on as much. Now this area here is my last area. I got the table moved over and everything. See how much dirtier that is? Look how clean this is. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's almost like night and day. Okay, so I have to do this, and luckily for me, there was that big rug here. Do you remember that? So this isn't as dirty, but I'm still going to clean this just like I'm going to clean everything else, because I want it to all blend in and stuff, even though they're going to put the carpet back down there. That's all right. Okay, doesn't that look much nicer? And I did that with that 4-inch paintbrush. I did that the other day. It's all plenty dry. And if you want, you can put a 3rd coat over this. Next week, you can do it in different phases. You can do this area, half of this room, one day, one evening after work, whatever. In here, you can do that one day. You know, break it up into little projects. Don't think you have to do the entire thing in one evening, okay, after work, and you're tired, and the kids are screaming, and you just finished dinner, and you want to sit down and watch TV. Just do the bathroom. You know, just do this bathroom. That's all. You know, little by little you can do it and get the satisfaction of looking at it saying, wow, I did this floor myself. Doesn't it look great? Knowing that you saved a bunch of money. Had you have done this and had a professional floor cleaning company come in here, I have no idea how much they would have charged for this. Maybe $850, $900, maybe even more, depending on how long they had to stay and how hard it was and all that kind of stuff. Okay? Start thinking about doing things yourself. That's what my channel is all about. Well, enough of that. I got to get back down on here and start cleaning the rest of this floor. You already know how to do that, so I'm not going to show you on this particular video. Look at one of my previous ones and I'll show you how to clean this floor like it should be. Is there a right and wrong way to clean a floor? Of course there is. You look at my videos and I show you how to clean Mexican tile pavers the proper way. Nice. Now I've got all the Mexican tile floor pavers done in the whole house down here. And see, here they were out front too. And as an extra little thing, I did this for them. Now, did I really have to do this outside? No, I didn't really have to. Would they have ever noticed? Would they even have thought to tell me about this? Probably not. This took me a long time too, because this was really super dirty. But I decided, hey, I've got the time and I'm going to do something special for them. Go out and go the extra mile for people sometimes. Give them something they weren't even expecting. They'll appreciate that from you. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.